Hello, my friends. I'm Jose Rubiera, and this is the weather in the Caribbean. Well, we have some special problem today because we are going to talk not only about the updated meteorological situation, but also the forecast for tomorrow, as every night, but also about the lunar eclipse that will take place in the Caribbean and the Western Hemisphere on Sunday and early morning hours of Monday. So let's start by looking at the satellite globe. The cold front is already here in the northwestern section of the Gulf of Mexico. And tomorrow we will have rather warm air over the entire Caribbean. You will see why. Because the winds here are coming to the southeast. This is a weather chart forecasted for tomorrow afternoon. The cold front will be in the Gulf of Mexico. The winds will be going from the southeast, so bringing warm air from the South Caribbean to the northwestern Caribbean, and then temperature will be high. So very few rainfall for tomorrow, only isolated showers in some coast of the island, mainly in the north coast. But then you see the temperature. The warm temperatures are here, and this line is retreating to the Gulf of Mexico. You saw the other day when we have colder air over the northwestern Caribbean that this line was right here. But now it is going to the Gulf of Mexico, waiting for a new cold front, and then we have a drop in temperatures by Monday. Well, temperature for tomorrow, the highest 25, 27 in western and central Cuba, 27 in Cancun, 26 in Cayman Island, in Jamaica, Kingston, 28, up to 30 degrees and 31 in eastern Cuba, the Bahamas, 23, 24, and up to 28, 29 in the Dominican Republic and Haiti. And then in the zone of Central America, we will have, here is the map, 28, 27, 26, getting to 30 and 31 in the southern part. And then in the Leeward Island, 25, 26, in Puerto Rico, 26 and 25 in the British and U.S. Virgin Islands. Then in the north coast of South America, 33 in Cartagena in Colombia, 26 in the Netherlands Antilles, and also 28 in Margarita Island in Venezuela, 29 to 31 in the rest of the coast of South America. And then we have here what is going to happen on Sunday evening and the early morning hours on Monday. The shade of the earth coming through the moon, and the moon getting in the reddish, copperish, brown color. This is because of the light crossing through the shade of the earth. And then we have here what will happen in Cuba and the Western Caribbean. This is the times for the Western Caribbean and Cuba. This is the lunar eclipse for Havana. But remember that in the Eastern Caribbean will happen the same, but 1 hour later or earlier. So you will have here the same times, but 1 hour earlier in the Eastern Caribbean. And then the weather. The weather will be likely unfavorable for watching this heavily event, because we will have cloudiness here forecasted for Sunday night in western Cuba, central Cuba, Yucatan, also in Central America. And the most favorable conditions are in the central and the eastern Caribbean, because there will be no clouds or very few cloudiness there. So I hope you could enjoy this lunar eclipse on Sunday night and early mornings of Monday. Until Monday, have a pleasant weekend.